These are the suspects that was arrested. Shut up! These are the suspects that were arrested. This one is escapee. So it's one of them. You can see. What will it be your name? Huh? What will it be your name? Who got this gun? You buy her for Ose hand. And you still be escapee.
Yes.
Why you not go back to prison?
I don't go Asaba.
You don't go Asaba. I think at the prison. Come, I think at the prison you won't go back so soon.
No, revolver.
Okay, revolver.
What will be your name?
Tosi.
What will be your name?
Tosi, I know.
Huh?
Wesley.
Let's look at this gun. Now your own. What is this one they do? This one they rob.
No.
These are key people.
These are the key people.
How many people you don't kill?
How many donkey? Why don't give me you? Okay, that's what they give you when I take go the key people. That's what they give me go the key people. Where the person where the AK-47 they with?
Come on.
Huh?
OZ.
Who there with the AK-47?
OZ.
OZ.
Elect. Hold it go.
Where you go?
Hold on.
As you can see, this is a suspect that were arrested this night operation. We are still looking for OZ that is with the AK-47. The AK-47 they took during the NSAS protest. We are still looking for him. And this one is escapee. He ran away from prison and he refused to go back. So can't you see you are not going back to the prison now? You are going back, Abi?
I go for OZ to protect myself.
Back up for OZ
before I go prison. She the same.
The talk come out.
Before I go prison. When I come back, see everywhere all secure. I say no. I don't do all this kind of meeting. I take go Asaba.
Where they for recover this your gun?
I follow the same OZ house now.
Where you keep the gun?
OZ house.
And they for recover.
Yes.
Who got the revolver?
Tosi.
Who got the revolver?
Tosi.
Who got the revolver?
Tosi.
You say who the AK there with?
OZ.
OZ. Now OZ and another for recover this. Go to Salabi.
Yes.
How many people you don't use this one key?
Wait.
You.
I'm gonna wait.